Okay, class, I'm going to do a little tutorial on how to do the how you should submit your budget assignment. I have the Google Sheets open, and obviously you'll fill in all of your budget items in here. All you need to do, instead of creating two sheets and making a copy, is to copy this budget and create a new sheet. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a copy of the original document. And obviously you'll fill in all of your expenses and your income, and then you'll get your first budget. So the next thing that you want to do is you want to create a new sheet. Well, first we're going to rename this one. So I'm going to right click on this with my right mouse button, and I'm going to rename it. Alright, and this is going to be called Budget 1. Okay. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll up. I'm going to click this button right up here. What that's going to do is it's going to select the entire sheet of Budget 1. And then I'm going to right click anywhere on that screen, and I'm going to do Copy. Alright, and then I'm going to click this Add Sheet button, and that'll add a sheet. And then I will rename this one Budget Revised. Alright, and then I'm going to click on that button, the same button, the Select All button, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to do Paste. And what that's going to do is it's going to paste the entire budget in there, and then what you're going to have to do is change one or two of the variables, the expenses on this budget to get yourself a bigger surplus. So that those will be decisions that you'll have to make. Okay, and then what you can do is just share this with me. You could share this with me, and then what you have is you have Budget 1 on there and Budget 2 on there. What you're going to do is you're going to submit this through the Google Classroom, and then I will grade your project based on these two sheets. Budget 1 will have your original budget, and Budget Revised will have the budget that you created with the change in your expenses, and then you'll have a different surplus or deficit. Okay? All right.